my name is Arushi Gangar, and I have completed my bachelor's in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Gujarat Technological University. I have converted SGM, SOM, IIT Bombay, and NITI among the two major calls, and I was also having some newer IIMs. I am Trichy, I am Vishakhapatnam, I am Udaipur, etc. So I have finalized NITI as my final admission. When I entered Endeavour, there was a poster in which multiple clouds are mentioned. So my target, my dream was that cloud Ivy League colleges, and among them, as I'm interested in operations, so NITI was like my major goal, and yeah, luckily I'm able to achieve it. I believe Endeavour has helped me a lot because the mentors at Endeavour are so supporting. They not only supports me during my learning phase, they also supported me how to manage the job and study, as well as how to manage the college exams and the CAT preparation altogether. So yeah, the mentors and my batchmates, everyone was very supportive, and yeah, they have helped me a lot to achieve this journey. That's the one of the most amazing thing that I felt, because starting with the module 0 or the like starter modules, they are like very easier ones. They are on an easier note, and we all have done all those things during our 10th and 12th, so it boosts our confidence. Like it's not like we are scared at first, it boosts our confidence. Then there are module 1 and the fundamental modules that help us to catch the fundamentals and the concept of every topic. And then comes the marathon, that is like on a high on a tougher level of CAT, but that prevents us from getting those all of the sudden surprises that might come in CAT, because it's very unpredictable exam. So yeah, it has like the marathon, it's on a tougher note, but yeah, it helped me to overcome that fear of getting the tougher question, and how to choose the questions wisely for the time management. So yeah, the modules, they are designed such that they boost our confidence, then they increase our speed, and at the end they help us in the selection process of questions. The mock test series was like a combination. It's a combination of some easier tests also, and some at a very difficult level also. In both the tests, the thing that matters the most was the percentile. Like our percentile was almost closer to the actual percentiles that came out in CAT. So yeah, the mocks helped me a lot, and yeah, my mentors always asked me to do the proper analysis, and I believe that analysis has made the difference. One of the best things that I like about Endeavour is the GDPI preparation. They not only give us the mock test series, but they also start the GDPI preparation from the beginning, from the commencement of the course itself. Like among the mid of our lectures, we are having some GD lectures, some GK lectures, and from there, faculty started giving us a taste of how the GDPI is going to be, and after getting the results, there are mock GDPIs in mock GDs, in which we got a chance to do the GDs among the batchmates and among the people with various interest groups. The PIs are also very amazing. Like not always the faculties that I know were in the interviewer panel. There were multiple faculties. Their questions were almost similar. Like they are not during the mock interviews. It never felt like I'm giving the interview to someone known. It always felt like a real interview, and yeah, that helped me in my final interview. During my IIT Bombay interview, it was asked of me, like it was basic GK, but the last 5 CMs, Chief Ministers of Gujarat, and like I'm very bad at remembering full names. So that was a funny incident. I told my interviewers that, sir, I have this problem that I can't recall the names properly when I'm nervous. and they all laughed. And yeah, the interview, this was the last question, and they all laughed, and they are like, we liked your honesty. And yeah, so that's something that my mentors always told me, that be honest, be down to earth, don't bluff. For the one-to-one mentorship, I believe that this is one of the unique feature of Endeavor. Our mentors always provide us the support, the right path whenever we are stuck. We used to say them that, sir, now we are not able to manage it. Now with studies, it's almost non-manageable. Like we are having our exams, but they always make us to choose the right path. They always helped us. And about the study groups, yeah, there are batches. You can make study groups in your batches, and yeah, during the doubt solving and the problem solving, it helps us. So in short, learning at Endeavor is always fun. YouTube videos, that GK capsule that we have every month, that's very beneficial. Not like in CAT, we don't have GK, but there are multiple other exams that consist of GK, and there are GK is a most vital part during our interviews also. So I believe that apart from reading the newspaper, that Endeavor GK mod session capsule that is in YouTube, that helps me to revise whatever has happened throughout the month. And also, I would like to mention about Genesis. That's our magazine that comes in every 15 days, twice a month. So that is like the gist of everything that has occurred all around the world. So I believe that after reading the Genesis, I think you are perfectly aware about the current affairs that happened throughout the year. So yeah, both these things help me a lot. So to my juniors, I would like to say that always talk to your mentors, approach them, share whatever challenges you are facing, because they will always help you to choose the right path, and they will always guide you for your good. Secondly, sometimes it might feel that we are having college assignments and either office work, but please complete the homework and the assigned task on time, because it will help you to remain in discipline. That will prevent your last minute rush in your preparation. You will be having the whole chill out preparation, and everything will be in place if you follow all the homeworks and all the instructions given by the mentors. And yeah, the last one, analysis of the mock test is very important. Like more than giving a mock test, I think analysis is important, because it will help you to understand that which question should I have opted. So it might increase my percentile from two by 2 points or 5 points. So analysis makes all the difference, because mock test is, everyone is giving the mock test, but those who are doing proper analysis makes a difference. Something that I have learned in my journey at Endeavor is that this discipline is the most important thing. Like whatever you want to achieve in life, discipline and consistency are two major skills that will help you in achieving that. So yeah, these two lessons, discipline and consistency, is something that I will give credit to Endeavor for teaching me these two lessons.